Was it open when you was there properly?
Oh, I went. Well, you're going at the one near the station, aren't you? I've just been in the one on the industrial estate.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's all right there. I'm gonna take you there instead.
Where is it?
You know, as you come in, just before you get into Paddock Wood,
yeah.
on the left, where all the lorries go down there.
Yeah.
It's in there. It's near the station.
Is it like a proper cafe?
Mm.
What, you see it's in there a lot?
Yep.
Go on then.
Right, if I go here,
Yeah.
look what's going to happen. That van coming the other way wouldn't be able to come through, would he? Because I'll be on the fucking way.
No, I mean like parking there.
But what if someone comes in and wants to turn in there?
Oh.
I'm in the way, aren't I? Let me do the driving.
There's no need for them shoes though, is there?
Tell him.
There's no need for them shoes. Is there really?
He's laughing.
Sounds will catch you if you go, like me, wouldn't
Oh, you crack me up.
Farmers will catch you if you go, like me, wouldn't they? What's the fastest you've been on your motorbike?
About 100, just under 160.
I don't care about the police, mate.